Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Nissan Xterra. Now this is a 5-passenger SUV in white, driving on 16-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look inside the driver's side first. Now in the door, you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. Inside, this Xterra comes equipped with gray fabric seating, and you do have your adjustable side mirrors right next to the door handle as well. On the steering wheel, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition, along with your audio controls. On the right side, you find your cruise control settings. In the odometer, you can see this Nissan has 103 kilometers, 524. Taking a look at our screen here, right now we are on the Bluetooth option. You do also have your standard AM and FM. Underneath is the climate control. It is a single zone. You have these smooth turning dials here for intensity and your temperature. Now, all the way on the bottom here, you have a little bit of storage. You have this little shelf here. You have two 12-volt outlets on the right side. And of course, you have your drivetrain options as well. Taking a quick look inside the back here, we are continuing with the gray fabric seating. The bottom half of these seats do fold up. We can just lift this little handle here, giving a nice flat storage space in the back. Taking a last look at our Nissan Xterra, once again, some of those great features includes your Bluetooth capabilities, roof rails, and running boards. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.